In this video we will show how to repair holes on a plastic bumper. Here are some examples of damage. Let's get started on a repair. The sanding process is shown here. It is important to V-groove the edges of the hole on both sides. This increases the viable attachment area for the weld, leading to a stronger, more durable repair. If V-grooving isn't done, the weld will have little to hold to, especially when the repair is sanded back flush with the panel. This, obviously, compromises the quality of the repair. Start on the longest side, while the bumper is still cold. This will minimize potential sagging caused by heat at the largest part of the repair. Make sure 50% of the width of the strip is on the bumper, and the rest is over the hole. Then move to the opposite side. Again, this is to keep the area as cold as possible to prevent deformation of the bumper. Now weld over the center of the hole, using the previous strips to support the weld. Notice how the torch is primarily heating the strip, not the bumper. The process is then repeated on the outside. The final sanding starts with the 2-speed sander to remove the excess cooled welding strip material that is too high. Make sure the sander rotates off the weld, as this gives better results, and prevents ripping up in the repair. Once the repair is sanded down, it is ready for control sanding with the block, then feather edging with the DA. If the area is too high or low, the plastic dent wheels may be used to align it. If you want more information, go to our webpage, vtaginnovation.com.